And according to Virtus's Joe Terranova, the building blocks for an energy bounce are now in place.
I will certainly hopes that he's right. Do I think he's right? I think the early signals of it are, yes, present in the market. Last week, you had a 5% recovery in the energy equity names. I think that's the initial stages of something that could be building specifically towards oil.
All right, joining us now, Cerity Partners Chief Equity Strategist Jim Lebenthal. Jimmy, so what do you make of this call that Krinsky has made, that energy is going to resume its leadership role in the market just like it had all of last year?
Yeah, I agree with the call. Let me give you the fundamental story here is that the supply-demand imbalance of the last year or so is still intact. It's only been papered over in the last year by Strategic Petroleum Reserve releases, which are done. Now you've got China reopening. The recession, the long-awaited recession here in the U.S. is anything but inevitable. And you've got Russia even curtailing its supplies. So the supply-demand imbalance continues. I think if you were going to get bearish on crude oil, if you're going to get bearish on energy stocks, you'd have to predict the unpredictable, which is some sort of benevolent end to the war in Ukraine. Again, that is unpredictable, and I'm not predicting it. So I see the fundamentals intact. As far as it having stolen recently, I do have to point out that the XLE is only down 5% from its high. ExxonMobil's only off 2%. I still feel pretty good about this sector.
Sure, but you would obviously understand and admit the fact that while it was the overwhelming leader of last year, it certainly isn't to start this year.
I would definitely agree with you, Scott. But as an investor, I would tell you that at no point this year have I felt discomfort with being overweight by a factor of 2 in the energy sector. Sure, I would love if it had shot through the roof, but this feels to me much more like a consolidation phase, a setup for the next leg higher.
What happens if crude oil gets a 6 handle on it as concerns about a recession maybe materialize more than they have to this point?
Well, that would be extraordinary because the U.S. government has announced that at $72 a barrel, it's going to start refilling the Strategic Petroleum Reserve. And they got a lot of refilling to do. So there is a floor on crude oil, in my opinion, at $72 a barrel for quite some time. And actually, at that level, $72, I think the energy majors are going to make money hand over fist. They're going to return it in dividends and share buybacks, which we've already been seeing.
What's your favorite name in this space right now?
Well, you got to pick your poison here. I think for the average investor, ExxonMobil and Chevron Texaco are just a really easy way to play it. For a real safety-minded investor, Kinder Morgan. Now, my favorite is Transocean, all right? This stock was almost on death's door a couple of years ago when oil was at negative dollars per barrel. But now they've made all these announcements that their rigs are getting massive day rates. They're bringing some rigs back from idle status. There's demand to drill, and it's going to inure to the benefit of Transocean.
Jimmy, appreciate you spending time with me. That's Jim Lebenthal. We'll see you soon.
Good to see you.